Hey friends, what's up? And in this video, as I promised, I'll tell you what you need to add to the cups when transplanting tomato seedlings into them. And also, if you've already transplanted tomato seedlings, go ahead and add this fertilizer to your seedlings anyway. In the video, I'll demonstrate how to do it. This fertilizer is widely available and likely found in everyone's kitchen. These are oatmeal cookies, specifically, but only those oat flakes will do, which need to be cooked because they contain a lot more macro and micro elements. And those soaked seedlings, which are poured with boiling water, are not as beneficial for plants as they are for people. We will take enough so you have enough to feed all of your seedlings. And based on the calculation, it will be 1 teaspoon per 1 seedling cup. Let us measure and add it to the blender, as it is preferable to add a larger quantity. We crush the flakes and add them to a cup, because oat flakes contain a variety of essential macro and micro elements, which you can now observe on your screen. As you can see, they have a lot of iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and phosphorus promotes the growth of the root system, and also the growth of seedlings, as well as zinc, copper, manganese, and a small amount of potassium. All these macro and micro elements will help the seedlings quickly adapt in the cup and grow a large root system, as well as green above ground mass. Now, how do you properly add this fertilizer to the cups? If your seedlings have stretched out like mine, then we first prepare the soil. I obtained a container that is sufficiently large to fill 3 cups. Consequently, I added 3 teaspoons of this finely ground fertilizer and mixed it thoroughly until well combined. Then I plant seedlings here and fill the cup with this nutritious soil, but not all the way to the top. In the top layer of soil in the cup, we always fill it with clean soil because oat flakes are pure organic matter. And in case she stays on the surface and you water the cups, mold can potentially form on top of them. And when we fill it with clean soil, nothing will form. And the microorganisms in the soil will break down the oat flakes into easily accessible food for the seedlings. And also, if you've already transplanted your seedlings into cups, then it's no big deal. We take and remove the top layer of soil, about 1 centimeter, pour all the fertilizer there and mix it with the soil. Furthermore, we fill it up with clean soil from the top and water it. With each subsequent watering, all the nutrients will effortlessly reach the root system of the seedlings and nourish it. So, if the info from this vid was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, don't forget to share with your buddies, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new vids. I wish you a successful day, and we'll see you in the next vid.